Hey guys, Chris from Indie Filmmakers here. Today I'm going to show you how to triple your money. Prop movie money, of course. What do you need? Prop money. A huge amount of blank papers, a pair of scissors, nail polish, and a lot of rubber bands. You're gonna take one bill out of the stack. Next step, you're gonna take a couple of blank papers, not too much, otherwise the scissor won't cut. Then you take the scissor and you cut just around the bill. The best way I advise to do it is around the corners, because then you have two sides already in a straight line. So you have to cut two other corners. Then you are going to wrinkle each blank paper up. When you repeat this process a couple of times, you are going to take two blank ones, and then after two you have to take one prop money and do the same process. The reason why I'm doing this is because the euros, they all got a color, green, yellow and purple. So if you only do the blank papers in the middle and just one on top and one at the bottom, you are going to notice that it's filled with blank papers. So when you repeat the process by putting prop money in between, you won't notice the blank papers in the middle. What you're going to do next is split them up in small stacks of 13. Most important is that they are split up with two prop money on top and two at the bottom. Once you've created 5 smaller stacks, you can bundle them up to create one bigger stack. Then you take one smaller stack, you take a new one, you wrinkle that up, put it around, and the way I do it is put it on the euro prop so it covers up the prop money sign, bundle them and put some weight on it. Then to the next one, do the same process and repeat it to all 5. So once you have all 5 smaller stacks together, you are going to bundle them with 2 rubber bands, and that will hold the stack together. So now we are almost ready. The last thing to do is take the nail polish. We got the transparent one, and now we are going to make those marks shiny, and that will help a lot when you are filming, and it will look better on camera. So that's how you make a stack, and when you repeat it you can get 3 stacks of one prop money stack. Thanks for watching, and if you want to get your own prop money, go visit propmoviemoney.com and use our code INDIE15 to get your 15% off. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram @IndieFilmmakers, and see you in the next video.